Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am only reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose in aim and is improving my knowledge and English only, nothing else. Therefore, please support and guide me. This is our first article. 116 deportees arrived from USA in second batch. 65 of those who landed in Amritsar are from Punjab, 33 from Haryana, 8 from Gujarat. Most of the deportees had between 18 and 30, say resources. Another aircraft expected today. First flight after the crackdown began in USA on illegal immigrants has brought in 104 people. Deportation fuels political slugfest in Punjab. Chandigarh, where the USA aircraft carrying first batch of the deported Indians arriving in Amritsar on Saturday, the political over the issue is heating up in Punjab as India's citizens continue to be deported. The USA, with the AAP, Congress, and the BJP involved, is in a heated exchange of word over the matter. Unfolding tragedy. Relatives of the deportees wait outside the airport in Amritsar on Saturday. Vikas Vasudev, Chandigarh. United States aircraft carrying 116 undocumented Indian migrants deported from the USA landed at the Amritsar International Airport on Saturday night. This was the second group of Indian citizens to be set back from the USA after President Donald Trump started a crackdown on illegal immigrants. Sharp on criticism on February 5, a USA military plane brought 104 illegal immigrants in hands, cuffs, and cluff of Amritsar, inviting sharp criticism from the opposition. According to official of 100 of the 100 deportees, 65 are from Punjab, 33 from Haryana, 8 from Gujarat, 2 each from Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra, and Rajasthan, and 1 each from Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. Sources said that the most of the deportees are aged between 18 to 30. Some of their family members are arrived at the airport to be receive them. Another flight carrying more deportees is expected on Sunday. Earlier in the day, Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann slammed the center over the USA plans with illegal Indian immigrants landing at the Amritsar airport and asked the Union government not to make the holy city a deportee center. The Bharatiya Janata Party hit back at the Chief Minister and accused him of playing political over the deportation. A large number of people, especially youth from Punjab, travel abroad in hope of a better life. Lack of data as the trend continue to grow. Illegal regular migrations proliferated. The magnitudes of the regular migration from Punjab is believed to be substantial, but there is hardly any authentic data on this in the public domain. After the first batch of migration returned, the Punjab policy set up a special investigation team to probe human trafficking and illegal migration. That batch of deportees had 33 migrants, each from Haryana and Gujarat, and 30 from Punjab. Amidst Kumbh rush, 15 fare dead in stampede at New Delhi railway station. Pilgrim rights passenger crowd to board train for Mahakumbh from the New Delhi railway station on Saturday. Alisha Dutt, New Delhi. 15 people, including 3 children, were found dead in a stampede at the New Delhi railway station on Saturday night, giving the figure. The Chief Casualty Medical Officer of LNJP Hospital said 11 people were injured. Speaking to the Hindu, Delhi Fire Service Chief Atul Garg said the cause of stampede was unclear, but initial report suggested that the cancellation of the trains to Prayagraj for the Mahakumbh led to chaos on 2 platforms around 9:55 p.m., promoting an emergency response with the dispatch of rescue team and 4 fire tender. After the incident, the railway operated 4 special trains to Prayagraj to clear the unprecedented rush, and ministry officials said. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh termed the incident devastating. I am extremely pained pained by the loss of life due to stampede on railway platform. In this hours of grief, my thoughts are with the bereaved family, he said a post on X. Delhi Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena condoled the loss of life. The LG said he had spoken to the Chief Secretary and the Police Commissioner and asking them to take charge of relief measures. All hospitals are in readiness to address related exigencies. He posted on X. Railway Minister Ashwin Vishwas said the situation at the station was under control. Injured taken to hospital. Special trains being run to vacate sudden rush. His post read passenger faint. Eyes witness said owing to the huge rush at the station, several passengers fainted because of this suffocation. In an official statement, the Deputy Commissioner Police Railways said many people were present on platform number 14 when the Prayagraj Express train was standing at the platform. The Savatantra Senani Express and Bhubaneswar Rajdhani Express were delayed, and the passengers of these trains are also present on platform 12, 13 and 14, he said. Every hour 1500 general tickets were sold by the railway, due to which the station got overcrowded and become controllable. There was a stampede at platform number 14 and near the escalator near the platform 16, the DCP said. One of the passengers, Dharmendra Singh, said, I was going to Prayagraj, but many trains were running late or were cancelled. The station was overcrowded. There were far more people than I have ever seen at this station. In front of me, 6 or 7 women were taken away on stretchers. Another passenger, Pramod Chorosia, said, I had a sleeper class ticket for Purushottama Express, but even those with confirmed ticket could not board the train. There was too much pushing and jostling with PTI inputs. Truce hold as Hamas free 3. Israel released 369 prisoners. Associate Press Khan Yunus. Hamas lead militants released 3 male Israeli hostages on Saturday, and Israeli forces freed 369 prisoners in return. In the latest indication that a fragile ceasefire that had dated in recent days is holding. Militants in the southern Gaza Strip paraded the 3 hostages: Ayer Horn 46, a dual citizens of the Israeli and Argentina American Israeli Sugio Decker Chan 36, and the Russian Israeli designer Sasha Trofanova 29. Before releasing them, they were transported to Israel to be reunited with their families and to receive medical evacuation. All 3 of them had been abducted from Kibbutz near Uj, a community that was hard hit in the October 7, 2023 attack that ignited the war. They appear pale and worn, but seem in better physical condition than the 3 men released last Saturday. A tense dispute has jeopardized the nearly 4-week-old truce in recent days and threatened to renew the fighting as USA President Donald Trump controversy. His proposal to remove more than 2 million Palestinians from Gaza has caused even more doubt on the future of the ceasefire. But Hamas said on Thursday it could move ahead with the release of more hostages after talks with Egyptian and Qatari officials. The group said the mediator had a pledge to remove all hurdles to ensure Israel would allow more tents, medical and supply and other essentials into Gaza. General manager of Mumbai Bank held for 122 crore rupee fraud. People gather outside a new India cooperative branch in Mumbai on Saturday after the RBI imposed restriction. The Hindu Viru Mumbai police in Saturday arrested Hitesh Mehta, general manager and head accounts of the New India Cooperative Bank, for appropriating 122 crore rupee from the bank, officials said. Mr. Mehta was arrested by the Economic Offence Wing EOW of the city police after being questioned for more than 3 hours, and officials said he will be produced before a local court on Saturday. The police official added. RBI detection. This comes a day after the bank board was superseded by the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) for a year for lack of liquidity. The RBI appointed as administrator to manage its affairs. On Thursday, the Central Regulatory Bank imposed the several restrictions, including on withdrawal of the funds by deposits, setting supervisory concern and to protect the interest of the deposit. As per the complaint, Mr. Mehta, along with other associates, misappropriated 122 crore rupee from the safe of the Padavi and Guregaon office of the bank. The Dadar police had in a statement on Saturday a case under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sahita BNS section 3165, criminal breach of the trust of the public servants, banker and others in position of the trust, and 61 criminal conspiracy has been registered. During the investigation, it came to light that the misappropriation of the funds has started soon after the COVID-19 pandemic broke out. The accused allegedly pays 112 crore rupee from the safe in Pradhavi, while 10 crore rupee was siphons off from the Goregaon branch, police officials said. According to the information on its website, the New India Cooperative Bank was founded in 1968, modeled on the lines of the German Labour Bank. It was initially called the Bombay Labour Cooperative Bank and was started with the support of trade unionist leader and the former defense minister George Fernandez. The bank site also mentioned Ranjit Bhanu, a noted criminal lawyer, trade unionist, and the MLA as being a co-founder with PTI input. Electrifying ride. This from Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. For the cows, the Kerala State Road Transport Corporation's open top electric double-decker bus, which take the tourists on sightseeing, completing 1 year since its inaugural trip. To mark the occasion, it ran a special service for children and other inmates of Shri Chitra Home for Destitute in Thiruvananthapuram on Saturday. City Mayor Arya Rajendra joined the children on the ride. Nirmala Haridran. Why is the new bill on foreigners coming? What are the counters of the Immigration and Foreigner Bill 2025? What obligation do universities, education institutions, and hospitals have when admitting foreign nationals? How does the bill penalize the house or supply of foreign passport, visas, or the other travel documents? The penalty for entering India without a passport or travel document is imprisonment for 5 years. Vijita Singh. The story so far. The Union Ministry of Home Affairs (MHA) is all set to introduce the Immigration and Foreign Bill 2025 in the second half of the budget session that begins on March 10th. The bill repeals all four existing legislation: the Passport Entry into India Act 1920, the Register of the Foreign Act 1939, and the Register Act 1946, and the Immigration Carries Liability Act 2000 to deal with the immigration and the movement of foreigners. What are the significant provisions? The bill has a 6 chapter comprising 35 clauses and bunches of the existing law into a single document. It clearly defines the functions of the immigration officer, the requirement of the passport and the visa, and the matter relating to the foreigner and their registration through through the Bureau of Immigration (BOI) already exists. The bill seeks to provide legal backup for immigration function and the immigration officer and the BOI. It defends the provisions relating to the obligation of the university and education institutes, hospitals, nursing home, and medical institution to admit any foreigner. Earlier, the foreigner were asked to register with the Foreign Regional Registration Officer (FRRO). Presently, it is a mandatory for the hotel and guest house to share the passport deal of the foreign with the police. The bill also provisions to relating to the foreigner whose movement are restricting the power of the civil authority to control places frequently by foreigners and provisions relating to the liability of the carriers and their strict measure. The MHA had to ask the state constitute two committee to identify the foreign who have stayed on beyond the visa periods carried and their obligation. The bill retain the provision on the burden of proof to prove that a person is not a foreigner on the person. What is the provisions for entry and stay of foreign? The bill introduced the clause threat non-national security, sovereignty, and integrity of Indian relations with the foreign state among the ground to refuse the entry or stay of a foreign in the country. The provision, the proposed law state no foreign shall be allowed to enter into or stay in India if he found it inadmissible to do so on account of threat national security, sovereignty, and integrity of India, relation with a foreign state or a public health, or and such other grounds as the central government may specify, adding that the decision of the immigration officer shall be the final and binding. Earlier, too many foreigners and persons of Indian origin have been denied entry based on executive order. According to the Foreign Act 1948, a foreigner may be denied entry if he or she is a threat to public safety of its foreigner carry an infection or is affected by mental illness, if the passport or the visa is invalid, faces extradition, or has been previously denied entry into the country. The bill mentioned the power of the center to issue order or the removal of the foreigner to delegate or and exam. Presently, Section 3 of the Foreign Act 1946 empower the central government to prohibit and regulate, restrict the entry of the foreign into India or their act or stay. Section 5 of the Passport Act 1932 also has the provisions for the removal of a foreigner who has entered without document or a visa. What are the penal provisions in the bill? The penalty for entering India without a passport or travel document in the proposed legislation is imprisonment for 5 years or a fine of 5 lakh rupee or both. Using or supplying false or fraudulent obtained passport or other travel document or visa shall be punishable with the imprisonment of the term or not less than the 2 years, but may extend a 7 year or a fine of not less than 1 lakh rupee, which may extend to 10 lakh rupee. The bill proposed overstaying beyond the visa limit shall be punishable by 3 years and fine up to 3 lakh rupee. Does the bill allow state to detect and the deport documented migration? Yes, the Ministry of the Home Affairs informed the Jharkhand High Court last year that since the central government does not maintain a separate federal policy force exclusive dedication to the task of the detection and deportation of the foreign staying, illegal action in the regard has been entered on to the state police according to guidelines issued on April 24, 2014 and July 1, 2019. A foreigner can be deported after completion of the sentence court proceeding by the state government if she has a valid travel document, passport, and other court has pending. In a case the foreigner does not have a valid travel document, it should be obtained from the embassy or a high commission. What about the detention center? The bill does not use the term detention center. Cause 13 say foreign are required to resident a place set apart from the resident under the supervision. The center may regulate access to places in India where foreign those whose movement restricted are logged. In 2019, following the Supreme Court directive, the MHA finalized the detention center manual for restricting the movement of the foreign national who are awaiting deportation due to non-possession of the valid travel document, and to ensure they are a physical availability at all time expedition repatriation and to deportation. The manual notes that the state requires no specific approval from the home military to set up the detention center holding the center camp. It lay down the center should be set up outside the jail premises and their numbers and seats should be decided by the state, say, keeping the actually number of the foreigner to be household as well as the progress in deportation proceeding. What are the other mechanism in place of trace maybe movement of foreign? The MHA has said to constitute the coup committee to identify foreign who enter the India pre and post January 1st 2011 have stayed to beyond the visa period, and detail of the foreign who enter the legally and are said to be fluctuating visa regulation are uploaded on the e-federal portal, which can be accessed by the local police. Their details are also shared with the government department running flagship welfare scheme, driving license and pen database, so that the action can be taken if the document have been obtained. Frequently, the MHA asked the Unique Identification Authority of India to create a negative list of the Aadhaar cards. Its police investigation showed that they were the procedure frequently. The MHA has also the operationalized a foreigner identification portal which is accessible by the state police to uphold the biometrics and other details of illegal foreigners. The purpose of the portal is to enable the state to identify illegal migrants for the deportation and prevent them from procuring documents such as Aadhaar. When can president rule be imposed? What are the conditions? What happened in the case of Manipur and what led to the crisis? Why had the assembly been kept in suspended animation? What are the implications? What does the constitution say? What have the courts rule? What did the Moi judgment signal? Since the 2014 president rule has been imposed 11 times, including 4 times in Jammu and Kashmir. Priscilla Jeberg, the story so far. 4 days after Manipur Chief Minister and Biren Singh resigned, the state was put under the president rule for February 13. Through the ruling, BJP still hold a majority in the Manipur Assembly. The party was unable to find the consensus chief minister candidate. The state has also been wrecked by the ethnic violence since May 2023, and Mr. Singh faced the criticism for the handling of the conflict from the many sides, including from within his own party. This is the 11th time the president's rule has been imposed in Manipur, the highest in the state. What is the president rule? President rule be provision under the Article 356 to be imposed in case of the failure of the constitution machinery in a state. In such situation, based on a report by the state governor or other input, the president can issue a proclamation taking over the function of the state government and governor, effectively transferring them to the union government and transferring the power of the state assembly to parliament. The president cannot, however, assume of the power vested in a high court. The president's proclamation must be laid before parliament. Learning chaos. Manipur has been wrecked by the ethnic violence between the Meiteis and Kuki Jew communities since May 2023. Parliament and will to expire 2 months unless the both house ratify. It may be renewed by the parliament every 6 months for a minimum period of 3 years. After the first year, renewal can take place under the certain condition of the emergency being declared in the country or the state. The election commission declaring the state election cannot be held. Article 356 does not list the various specific circumstances under the president's rule can be imposed leaving it to the judgment of the president and the Union Council of the Minister, advising to certify herself that a situation has arisen in which the government of the state cannot be carried on in accordance with the provisions of the constitution. A compromise assessment as the president ruled by the Lok Sabha secretary in 2016 listed the situation in which it has been imposed apart from the militancy and law and order defections by MLA breakup A of the coalition passing the no considered motion resigning of the chief minister of sense of the legislature in newly formed state and public agitation leading to instability. The Supreme Court judgment in the 1994 as Sarvabhaumai versus Union of the India case also listed the circumstances in which the present rule could be not imposed through it made the clear this was not exhaustive. What are the some provisions instance of the imposition of the president rule has been imposed 135 times in 35 states and the union territory, including the some that no longer exist. The first instance was in June 1951 in Punjab when the state chief minister Gopi Chand Bhargava resigned due to internal differences in the Congress party. In all, Punjab has been under central control over a decade. The only state which has spent more than under central control in Jammu and Kashmir, which has the president rule imposed for almost 15 years, including in the union territory of the Jammu Kashmir with the longest continuous stint of the more than 6 years each from 1990 to 1996 and from 2019 to 2024. After the Manipur, the most frequent imposition of the president rule has been 10 times in Uttar Pradesh. There were also been several instances of the Article 350 being applied in case where the same party is in power at the both center and state, including in Andhra Pradesh in 1973, Assam in 1981, Gujarat in 1974, Karnataka in 1990, and now in Manipur. In 1977, the newly elected Morarji Desai government imposed president rule on 9 Congress ruled states at one go, claiming that they no longer held the confidence of the electorate which had voted out the Congress at the center. When Indira Gandhi returned to power in 1980, she returned the favor, imposing the president rule in the 9 states. For the same reason, the Supreme Court at the time refused to interfere in the matter. Why has the become less frequent? A few days after Sarvabhaumai judgment marked safety in the court stance. The 9 judge bench said that the court could be review the president proclamation by the examination whether it was issued on the basis of the any material at all, whether the material was relevant to the whether the proclamation was issued in the malafide exercise of the power. Former Attorney General late Soli Sorabji had said critics of the 1994 judgment. This means the proclamation can be struck down or found to be constitutional. This is clear that to the government, said PDT Acharya, a former Lok Sabha Secretary General. Between 1950 and 1994, president rule was imposed 100 times, an average of 2.5 times a year. In the 3 decades it has been imposed 30 times or about one a year. In fact, the imposition in the Manipur in the first since the Puducherry February 2021, almost 4 years ago, since the Narendra Modi lead NDA government came to power in India. President rule we imposed 11 times, including 4 times in Jammu and Kashmir. Of the courts have struck down the proclamation twice in Arunachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. What does it mean? Deep the legislature in suspending the animation through the Manipur has been placed under the president rule. Its assembly has not been dissolved. Instead, it has been kept under the suspended administration. When the assembly is placed under the suspended administration, it can be revived whenever it becomes possible to form a popular government after revoking the president rule. What is the cancer vaccine Russia is offering? Why does an RNA-based vaccine hold promise? What have preclinical trials shown about its efficacy? Jubeda Ahmed. The story so far: in December last year, Russia announced that it had developed a new mRNA-based mRNA-based personalized vaccine for cancer, which would be available free for patients by early 2025. Media reports state that the Andrei Kaprin, General Director of the Radiology Medical Research Center of the Russian Ministry of Health, spoke to Radio Russia about the vaccine. Report also say that the Alexander Ginsberg, director of the Gamaleya National Research Center for Epidemiology and Microbiology, said the vaccine's pre-clinic trial and shown that it suppresses tumor development and potential metastasis. What is the RNA cancer vaccine? mRNA messenger RNA vaccine provide a genetic information that teach the body's cell to produce an antigen, protein or other substance that triggers an immune response, training the immune system to produce antibodies against it. When these antigens are detected on cancer cells, the immune system can potentially launch an attack against them. How do this vaccine work? An mRNA cancer vaccine is a form of immunotherapy. Cancer cells often develop mechanism to avoid being detected and destroyed by the immune system. This immune evasion mechanism has now been understood, and the idea of the immunotherapy therefore is to boost the body immune system and to find the destroy cancer cells, preventing their spread. The advantage of the treatment are the unlike chemotherapy, only the cancer cells are killed and the side effects are lowered, missed and said M. Manikesh Kavasangam, professor and head medical oncology, Shri Ramchandra Medical College, Chennai. While vaccines are one form of immune therapy, others include the use of antibiotics, CAR T cell therapy, immune checkpoints inhibitor, etc. The mRNA cancer vaccine, therefore, are not meant for healthy patients to prevent disease like other vaccines. They are meant to be used in patients who already have cancer in order to target and treat the tumor, say Arvind Krishnamurthy, professor and head surgical oncology, Cancer Institute, WIA, Chennai. Their treatment is a tailored to target the specific antigen that such patients' tumor has, making them personalized and potential more effective. Unlike, say, the COVID-19 mRNA vaccine that target one antigen, the cancer mRNA vaccine may also be designed to target multiple antigens. In Russia is the only research into a vaccine for cancer. No, it is not. Last year, the UK National Health Service launched the Cancer Vaccine Launchpad, a trial program to speed up the access to mRNA plus personalized cancer vaccine clinical trials for people who have been diagnosed with cancer and accelerate the development of the cancer vaccine as a form of cancer treatment, according to its website. In the US, a global biopharmaceuticals company CureVac announced in September last year that its CVGBM cancer vaccine showed promising immune response in the phase 1 study in patients with glioblastoma brain cancer. Currently, more than 120 clinical trials are underway in various parts of the world. What does it portend? Doctors stress that unlike infection disease, since cancer in general is not caused by a single organism, the cause of the word cancer may be misleading in terms of the prevention of cancer. The human papilloma virus (HPV) vaccine can prevent the cervical cancer, since over 90% cases are known to be caused by this virus, say Prasad Iswaran, senior consultant medical oncology, Apollo Proton Cancer Center, Chennai. Also, the hepatitis B vaccine that is given to prevent the hepatitis B viral infection may have a protective role in the preventive of the liver cancer, said Dr. Mani Kava Sangam. Patients must be understand that these immunotherapy treatments are not preventive in nature, he emphasized. At the most moment, there is very little information available about the Russian treatment being offered. Any new drug goes through the multiple stages of the clinical trial, process that make year before it can be finally reach the market. Without all of the data being available quickly, it is difficult to say that this treatment is at and how to safe and effective it will be. Dr. Prasad points out. While immunotherapy was shown promising results for certain cancer, it may not be suitable for all kinds of cancer or for every cancer patient. Research is ongoing and the time will how effective this may, say Dr. Yangon. Myanmar junta criticized Argentina arrest warrant for military leaders. Myanmar ruling junta criticized an Argentine courts for issuing an arrest warrant for its top leader over alleged genocide and crime against humanity towards the Rohingya. Warrants were issued for military and civilians officials include junta leader Min Aung Hlaing in picture and a former elected leader Aung San Suu Kyi. Beirut, UN peacekeeping force official in Lebanon injured by protest. The outgoing deputy commander of the UN's peacekeeping force in Lebanon was injured on Friday when the protest attacks a convoy taking peacekeepers to the Beirut airport. Demonstrators were protesting the decision by Lebanese authority to revoke permission for a passenger plane from Iran to fly to Beirut on Thursday. Kiev, Russia claimed to have captured another village in eastern Ukraine. Russians said on Saturday its forces had captured the village of Verizivka in their latest breakthrough in the eastern Ukraine Donetsk region, where the Ukraine defense are cracking through. Only a small statement. A capture of the Berezivka would be advanced Russia sweep across the Donetsk region, which is coveted by Kremlin. Taipei Air Force ground training jets after crash, pilot rescued. Taiwan's Air Force grounded all training jets after one of the aircraft crashed on Saturday due to dual engine failure with the pilot ejected safely. The locally made Brave Eagle went down after taking off from Chi-Hang Air Base in southern Titung country at 8:40 a.m., the Air Force said in a statement. Dancing to leader's tune. Member of the part of the Mangona school children plays perform to celebrate the 83rd birth anniversary of their late leader Kim Jong II at the place in Pyongyang in North Korea on Friday. Today, first one important vocabulary word is reckless. It is a adjective. Hindi meaning is laparwa, marked by the lack of proper caution, careless of consequences. Synonymous: rush, heedless. Antonyms: cautious, carefully. Examples: tense. He showed a reckless disregard for the safety of clothes. So guys, this is today's video. Please like, comment and share, and don't subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet tomorrow. Jai Hind.